Bird and Kip, Episode 44. Kip feels awful.
What do you mean?
Kip asked Seagull.
Bird loves pizza crust.
But Bird is sick,
Said Seagull.
You should bring her some noodle soup.
Noodle soup?
Said Kip.
Yes,
Said Seagull.
Bird will like noodle soup.
Kip saw Pigeon.
Bird is sick.
Said Kip.
I'm taking a pizza crust to her.
Really?
Said Pigeon.
When I'm sick, I don't like to eat. Why don't you bring her some warm blankets?
Warm blankets?
Said Kip.
Yes,
Said Pigeon.
Bird will like warm blankets.
Kip saw Squirrel.
Bird is sick.
Said Kip.
I'm bringing her a pizza crust.
Bad idea.
Said Squirrel.
Hot tea is much better.
Really?
Asked Kip.
Yes,
Said Squirrel.
Bird will like hot tea.
Kip was confused. He didn't know what to bring Bird.
Oh, no!
Cried Kip.
Now I feel awful too.